Hello, everyone, and welcome to the CCCU Assembly. It's the week of the 15th of March. It's the second week back from lockdown 3. We're in school learning. Hopefully, we don't have to go back to online learning. We're in school, which is just wonderful. And we know what the Grange CC Way is all about. We know what it means to be a CC learner. We want to have a great caring attitude. We want to be trying our best. We want to be always learning, even from our mistakes. Mistakes are great to learn from. We want to be going for improvement and progress. That's what matters. Not about achieving amazing achievements, but about always improving and making progress, about using what we learn to help us to make great choices and never giving up. We know that it's important to eat well, sleep well, exercise. So we've got healthy physical strength, but we know that our real strength is inside ourselves when we are the best that we can be, when we are always aiming to become our very best. That's character strength. And that's when we say, when you've got a problem, and life is full of that, you just say, okay, which character strength am I going to use for this particular problem to get me through? And we've just been through an incredible problem. The whole world has struggled with this pandemic of coronavirus. But you children in school right now, you are the survive and thrive generation. You're the bounce back kids. You know that kindness is strength. And if we work together with what we call at Grange the CC way, we're going to get through it, and you're going to grow up and you're going to be amazing successes. And the focus of this week, the character strength of this week, we're looking at what's called appreciation of beauty and excellence. It's really easy in the world to get sucked into all the negative, to always be thinking about the bad stuff. But the character strength of appreciation of beauty and excellence means that when you see somebody doing something really great, great actions, or really displaying skill or talent, then you don't get all jealous or worry about it or anything like that. You just say, wow, well done. Thank you for sharing. Well done. Well done for great listening. Well done for good learning. Well done for making progress. Well done for learning from your mistake and doing even better. And if you see something beautiful like a sunset, or just like it's a wonderful, something around you is wonderful, you just say, how wonderful, what a beautiful, wonderful sunset. And yes, this child is just looking and enjoying. They're not getting jealous, they're not getting insecure, they're not getting anxious, they're not getting worried. What they are saying is, I see something amazing and I say, how wonderful. I see somebody doing something amazing and I say, well done, because I appreciate beauty and excellence. The Grange CC way, confident for myself, considerate for everybody around me. That's our philosophy for life. So who are our gold stars this week? Well done. Yaksh, you are the gold star in lower key stage 2 this week. Grange House of Water. Samina, Maya, Khalif, Natalia, Ashvini, Irfan, Bassett, Louisa, Alex B, Zachariah, Dima, Delia, Flying in his Alana, Yusuf M, and the swivel goes to Dennis B. Well done. And Grange House of Fire. Majid Dolly, Abdirahman, Jalal, Adam, Yaqub, Gala, Flying in his Rocky Sun, Branshika, Kamani, and Tiago. And the swivel should have gone to, yes, that's Tiago. I think Gala, that's from last week. Well done. So Tiago, the swivel for this week. Laurentio, Ananga. Oh, here we go. Jahim flying in, Leo flying in. The swivel this week goes to Jeshwin with 170. So well done. Slightly mixed up in my formatting there. Jeshwin, you got the swivel. Well done. Grange House of Air. Ibrahim Rahaf, Adna, Nikki, Daria, Mohammed K, Farah, flying in is Adrian R, Tiana, and the swivel is Sophie W. Well done. Grange House of Earth. Sami AM, Zakira Ronessa, Nahara, Maria A, Abu Asiya, Hussein, Sanuja, Sharia Renaya, flying in his Shifa, Zara M, and this goes to Jacob with a brilliant 161. Well done. 17,380 brilliant points. So who are the classy classes? Ennis class, Lister class, but the swivel goes to the Super Seco class. Well done. We are almost at our target. We're smashing it. This is what's coming this week. This half term is messy paint for the classy class in Service Road. Sign up for the quiz, everybody. Sign up for the quiz. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. You see somebody doing something great, say, well done. You see wonderful stuff, say how wonderful. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.